Hello guys, what is going on? And I've been waiting for I don't know how many days, but this girl did a mail time and she was giving away a VIP ticket and I won. So alright. Dang it. Sad life. Alright, so this is the girl. She is not a spammer. I gave her a drip top. I gave her the most gifts. Oh my god. I've never actually opened a VIP ticket, so... Oh my god! Wait, which one do you press? Oh, you press claim. Oh my god. Finally. Cough. I've wanted this forever. Please level up, please level up, please level up. Oh, yeah. Oh my god. Yes. Alright. I've never been the best at letting go. I don't wanna spend the night alone. Guess I need you, and I need to make up my own body. I can't sing it. Oh yeah. I'm just gonna go on fame boost. Oh, lag. Alright, so I don't know what. I'm just so like. Where did my 3,000 go? I just had 3,000. How dare you, MSB. Okay, I just want to change my whole face, like, bruh. I don't want to spend the night alone. Guess I need you, and I need to make up my own mind. We don't have to grow up, we can stay forever young. Drinking when we go out underneath it. I can't sing it. Comment down below if I should do another singing video. I wanna dress Gucci. Gucci gang. Spread over show no shame. My bed love go okay. Gucci gang. Do you think that's good? Cough. What is a good color? making my way downtown. Comment down below on what maybe any song I should do. So, sad life. I'm gonna end it here quickly. This was just a quick video to show that I just got a VIP ticket. I'm sincerely grateful. And yeah. And I still have my broken arm. Boo. Shout out to PrettyMarley. I will put her her username in the description, and please spam her guest book, cause oh my god. Bye guys, love you.